Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. Today we are going to start new syllabus mathematics book 2 exercise 1b. So this is exercise 1b book 2. Question number 1. On sheet of graph paper using a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on x-axis and 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on y-axis, draw the graph of each of the following functions. So question 1 part A, the equation is given y equal to 2x plus 8. We need to draw the graph. Values of x are from 0 to 4. So values are needed to take from 0 to 4. So we can make a table of values of x and y. So because a function is given, in this function that we will get value of x, and against that we will have one value of y. For every single value of x, we will get one value of y. So make some columns like this. So suppose this is x, and we will give the value of x and we will get the value of y, and we are told that take the values of x from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and actually we need to, this is the equation of a straight line. Standard equation for straight line is y equal to mx plus c. So I will explain each and everything, what is the meaning of m and what is c. But right now, I will put the value of x in this equation, and we will get the values of y. For example, if I put x here 0, this will be 0. So value of y will become 8. So we will get 8. For x equal to 1, 1 into 2, 2 plus 8, 10. Value of y will be 10. For x equal to 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 8, that is equal to 12. And for x equal to 3, 6 plus 8, we will get 14. And for 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 8, 16. So we have values of x and values of y. So as in the given question, we need to draw this line on the graph paper. So draw two perpendicular lines. So because values of y are from 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, so much larger values, that is why we have to draw the graph in such a way that we can write all the values up to 16 like this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we can draw the horizontal line here. This is x-axis. So as per the condition given in the question, that this will be 0, this is the 0, and 1 centimeter will be equal to 1 unit. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, so on. And it is given that 1 centimeter should be equal to 1 unit. So similarly on y-axis 1 centimeter should be equal to 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So the first value of x is 0, and against 0 there is a y equal to 8. So x 0, this is the 0 point. Here x is 0 and also y is 0. For x 0 and y 8, the first point is this one. This is the first point. And for second, x equal to 1 and y equal to 10. X equal to 1 and y equal to 10 is this point. And x equal to 2 and y equal to 12. X equal to 2 and y equal to 12 is this point. Then x equal to 3 and y equal to 14, this point. And then x equal to 4 and y equal to 16. X equal to 4 and y equal to 16 is this point. So I do all the points here. So draw the line which passing through. You can see this is a straight line and which is passing through all the mentioned points. So this is the equation of a straight line. So next is for part B. For part B is there is another straight line y equal to 2x plus 2, and draw same table. So x, y, so value of x from 0 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and put x equal to 0 and we will get value of y 2, and put x equal to 1, 2 plus 2, 4, value of y is 4, x equal to 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 3 into 6 plus 2, 8, and 4, 2 into 4, 8 plus 2, 10. So this is another straight line. We can draw the straight line 0, 2. So first point is x 0, y equal to 2. This is 0, y equal to 2. And second it is x equal to 1, y equal to 4. This one. And third, x equal to 2 and y equal to 6. This point. And then 3 and 8, x equal to 3 and y equal to 8 is this point, and x equal to 4 and y equal to 10, 4 and 10 is this point. So we draw the line passing through the given points. So this is the straight line passing through the as per part B of the question. Similarly, part C. In part C, the equation is y equal to 2x minus 3. So make the table same like table. So x, and here will be value of y 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now put x equal to 0. We will get y minus negative 3. and x equal to 1, this will be y equal to minus 1, and x equal to 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 3 plus 1, x equal to 3, 6 minus 3, this is 3, and x equal to 4, 4 into 8, 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. So we need to draw these values here. Now negative y, so this is actually negative 1. So if I push a little, so this will be negative 1, this will be negative 2, this will be negative 3, negative 4, like this. So 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3 is, it means first point on the 0, and minus 3 is this one. This is first point, and then 1 minus 1, x is 1 and y is minus 1, so minus this one, this is y minus 1, and 2 and 1, 2 is, x is 2 and y is 1, then x equal to 3, y equal to 3, this point, x equal to 4, y equal to 5, x equal to 4, y equal to 5, this point. So draw this line also passing through point minus 3, and this is the third line. And now part D, similarly, this is part D. The equation is y equal to 2x minus 6. So make the table like before. This is x, this will be y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When put x equal to 0, this will be minus 6, y will be minus 6, x equal to 1, this will be minus 4, and this is 2, this will be minus 2, 3 to the 6, this will be 0, and when put x equal to 4, 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2. So first point, 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6 is somewhere here on this line, minus 6, because but we don't have sufficient space for this one. For drawing a line, that is only actually if we have 2 points, we can join the 2 points and we can get the line. So there is no difference that, for example, here minus 4 we have here. We can write this is minus 4. So 1 and minus 4. This is 1 and this is minus 4. This is 1 point. 2 minus 2. This is 2 and this is minus 2. This is a second point. And 3, 0. This is 3. X equal to 3 and y equal to 0. So this is the point. Y equal to 0 and x equal to 3. This is x-axis. On x-axis, for every point, value of y will be 0. Here value of y be 0, value of y is 0. So on x-axis, every point, on each and every point, the y point will be 0. So this is the 3, 0 and 4, 2. 4, 2 is, this is 4 and this is 2, this point. So if we join the points, sorry. So we drew all the 4 lines here in the question number 1. And what do you notice the lines you have drawn in the part 1? So we can see that all lines, if we keep on increasing the lines, so no line will touch each and other. So it means all the lines are parallel here. Part 2 of this question, it is asked, what you notice about the lines you have drawn. Actually we notice that all the lines are parallel here. And why parallel? Actually, if we compare this line with this is standard line, actually standard line of equation, I mean equation of straight line. This is equation of straight line, and this is standard, and this is these are different lines given here. If we see, this is 2x, this is 2x, this is 2x, this is 2x, and if we compare the coefficient of x, that is m equal to 2, m equal to 2, we can say m equal to 2. So on every equation, we have 4 equation. On every equation of line, the m value of m is 2. So what does this mean, m equal to 2? It means that slope, it is actually gradient or slope or steepness of a line. We will see what is this one, but if just you can see, for all the given lines the gradient is 2, or value of m is 2, because value of m is 2, or we also say slope of this line, because the slope is same. If slope is same, the line will be parallel, so no line will intersect each other. I mean that either we increase the line on the upward or downward, anywhere the line will not cross each other at all, because they are parallel lines. So question number 2, part 1, on sheet of a graph paper using a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on x-axis. On x-axis 1 centimeter represent 1 unit. So 1 centimeter 1, this is 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and on this side negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10, so on, 9 and 10, so on. And on y-axis it is told that 1 centimeter represent to 2 unit. So on y-axis 1 centimeter should be equal to 2, so this is 2, this will be 4, this will be 6, this will be 8, this will be 10, so on. And on this side -2, -2, -4, -6, -8, -10, -12, so on. So we can write some more values like 12 and 14. So equations are given: y equal to 3x plus 7. This is question number 2, part 1. Question 2, part A is equation is y equal to 3x plus 7, and we make a table of values x, and this will be y. So here range is from -4 to 4, -4 to 4. So it means there are a lot of values, but as I mentioned before, that for drawing a line it is not necessary that we draw all the values. Just take a few values between in the given range. minus 4 to 4. For example, if I put this 0, I put this 0, then this will be, for example, 1 2 3 4, or I can put 2 and 3 4. We can leave at whatever number of values, and 0, this will be minus 2, this will be minus 3, minus 4. So now put value of x0 here. We will get, this will be 0 7 here, and put value of x2, 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 7 13, and then put value of x3, 3 is 9 plus 7, that is equal to 16, and similarly put on this side minus 2 into 3 minus 6, and minus 3, minus 9 plus 7 minus 2, minus 9 plus 7 minus 2, and minus 12 plus 7, this will be minus 5, and if we put this value 4, 4 is a 12 plus 7 19. So for drawing a line only, actually we can use through 2 or 3 points, those are sufficient, but for now we will draw all the possible values. For example, 0 7, 0 x0 y7, so x0 y7, 7 is in the middle of this one, 6 7, actually 0.5 or half of this centimeter is 7 centimeters, so 1 point is here, this is the middle. Then 2 and 13, 2x is 2 and y is 13, 13 is in the here somewhere middle, and 3 and 16, 3 is this one and 16 is here, 16 is here, this is 16, and we can leave this one, and minus 2 and minus 6, minus 2 is this one, and minus 6, this will be this point, and minus 3 and minus 2, minus 3 and minus 2, minus 3 and x is minus 3 and y is minus 2, minus 2 is here, sorry, minus 3 and minus 2 is here, and minus 4 and minus 5, minus 4 and minus 5 is here. If we put minus 2 here, minus 6 plus 7, this will be plus 1. Sorry, this is wrong value. So this will be plus 1. This is plus 1. So minus 2 against minus 2, there will be 1. This value, this is wrong, not this one. So if we draw the now line through joining all the points, so this is the line. Now part B is equation is y equal to 3x plus 5. So again draw the table. So x and y. So in the middle somewhere we can write 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. I left minus 4 because, as I mentioned, that there are 2, 3, 4 points are sufficient for drawing the line. So when we put x equal to 0, y will be 5, and x equal to 1, y will be 8, x equal to 2, 6 plus 5 11, 3 is a 9 plus 5 14, and fourth is a 12 plus 5 17, and minus 1 into 3, this will be minus 3 plus 5, and this will be 2, minus 6 plus 5 minus 1, so minus 3 is a 9, minus 9 plus 5 minus 4. So now we need to draw the values 0 and 5. 0 and 5, x equal to 0 and y equal to 5. 5 is here somewhere, here in the middle between 4 and 6. This is the 5. And minus 1, 1 and 8, plus 1 and 8. This is plus 1 and 8 is this one. 2 and 11, this is 2 and 11 is in the middle of 10 and 12, this one. And 3 and 14, this is 3 and 14 is this one. 4 and 17, this is 4, and 17 is, this is 16, and 17 is here in the middle. And minus 1 and 2, minus 1 and plus 2, minus 1 and 2 is here. And minus 3 and minus 4, minus 3 and minus 4 is this point. So if we join these points, so we join the points, and this is the straight line. We get the straight line. Similarly, for part C, the y equal to 3x minus 3. So draw the table for values. So x and y, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So put value of x 0, minus 3, and 1, 1 into 3, 3, minus 3, 0. 2, put value of x 2, 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3. Put value of x 3, 9 minus 3, 6. And put value of x 4, 4 is a 12, minus 3, 9. Put value of x minus 1, minus 3, minus 3, minus 6. Minus 2, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, minus 3, minus 9. And minus 3, minus 9, minus 3, minus 12. And minus 4, minus 12, minus 3, minus 15. So now draw the value 0, minus 3. 0 and minus 3 is this one. 1, 0. 1 and 1, 0 is this point. Point 0 will be on the y0 on the x-axis line. As I told before, that on this line, on x-axis or horizontal line, for every point the y coordinate will be 0. So 1, 0 is this point, and 2, 3. 2 this one, and 3 is this one in the middle. Sorry, this is actually 3 will be up here. This one. And then 3 and 6. This is 3 and 6 is this one. 4 and 9. This is 4 and 9 is this one. between 8 and 10, 8 and 10, and this one. And on negative side, -1, -6, -1 and -6 is this point, then -2 and -9, -2 and -9 is this point, -3 and -12, -3 and -12 is this point. So we have sufficient point and we can draw the line. This is a line. So similarly we can draw other line also, but if we see the pattern of this equation, the coefficient of x is 3, 3, 3, because if we compare with the y equal to mx plus c, which is a standard equation of a line, the m value of m is 3 for all the line, so all the line will be parallel. So this is the conclusion of the result, that it shows that the all lines are parallel, they will not intersect each other at any point.